Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, Cody, and I just wanted to say we are delaying the Survival Minecraft with Mr. Sith series till tomorrow. I said last night it was going to be today, but we had a hurricane hit us, so we are evacuating right now. I'm actually probably going to do some vlogging. Actually, we are going to San Antonio, and Anyway, just still stay tuned. I'm sorry about that. It was out of the blue. We are currently covering the windows with plywood. So see you next time. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share, turn all notifications on so that you get notified when I post new videos. And see you next time. Bye.